Yes. Good afternoon. Thank you for calling. And makakaupo muna kayo. Hindi. Okay. I review your son's conditions. He has cerebral palsy, which is affected his movement. But with therapy, he can learn to walk better and maybe even speaks more clearly.
Oh no, Doc. This is not something medicine can fix. This is God's punishment for us, for our sins. We cannot go against His will.
Mrs., naiintindihan ko po kung anong kinakatakot nyo. Marami po talagang mga pamilya na ganyan yung nararamdaman sa ganitong sitwasyon. Pero wag po kayong mag-alala. Binigyan ng Diyos ng buhay yung anak nyo, and you should let Him live it fully.
Han, I have seen other children in the village who went to therapy. They are playing, even going to school. Shouldn't we give our son a chance?
You don't understand. If we interfere, the curse will grow stronger. People will laugh at us. They will call us cursed.
Amina, I respect your faith, but as a doctor, I must also speak for your child. He has a right to care and a better future. So therapy will not remove your faith and it will give your son dignity.
Your child is not cursed, Amina. He is a blessing. And sometimes, God tests us not with punishment, but with responsibility. Therapy is not defiance. It is love in action.
I know you're afraid, but is it not God's will that we care for what He has given us? If there's a way to help our son, shouldn't we try?
But what if it fails? What if I have angered God?
Then we will walk this journey together with faith and with medicines. If we do nothing, your sons will suffer, and we try. There is a hope.